Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I have a little haul which, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have shown some of the stuff already on my live stream unboxing, but I thought I will reveal all of it together. I have some PR packages and I have a gift from one of you. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I opened it from the package because I don't want the sound, but I haven't opened what's inside. It sounds so heavy, it sounds so exciting. So since I've unboxed some of the stuff already in my live stream, let me show the PR stuff first because one of it, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, let me just show you the one that I just got from Louisa. I do know what it is, I just don't know what it looks like. So let's start with that. Well, this time they sent me without the packaging. Usually it comes with the box, but this time without the box, which actually I personally like. I don't really like the box and all, just it's so much waste. Even says here, smaller packaging, less waste, more love. So there are two things here. This is the packaging that it usually would come with if you buy it. Let's look at this one first. This one is USO, and they sent this to me. So every few months they will send me, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. People, this is stunning. Look at that beautiful chain. There's a little word here. By the way, if you see some black stuff on my finger, it was just filming a get ready with me. And this lashes, this is the magnetic lashes. They are so hard to put on. So I have some black here. So just, it's not that I'm dirty, okay? It's just that I can't seem to get rid of it. So anyway, let's wear this. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Wait. I'm so excited. Can I make it into a choker? Oh my goodness. That is really beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm so excited. I don't have a mirror with me. Even though there's a chain here, but I'm making it like a choker, and there's a little plaque here that says BU, which, you know, I'm not a really fan of all these like wood on my necklaces, but I can't really see. It's so dainty. Love this. Okay, awesome. Let's look at the next one. So the next one is, oh, okay, there's a necklace here that says Mama. That's nice. But I think I'm gonna wear this. Because I love this. You need this, I'm telling you. Not lying. This is really beautiful, this USO. Mama is good too. Should I wear both of them? I don't want to wear both of them, I just want to wear this. Okay, I'm gonna wear this one first. Okay, I'm just wear this. Alright, this one from MACQUEZA was so timely. They contacted me, they asked me if I would love to try one of their like body stuff. And I think in my quarantine, one of my live streams, I was joking about back acne. And I was like, oh my gosh, I got zits on my back. And what a coincidence, I don't know whether they watched it or not, but they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try their glow body scrub, like skin smoothing. It's a body massage glove, and oh wow, oh, we've got a little towel as well. How cute. LUISA is a Singapore-based company, and I do have a discount code that they so kindly gave me for all of you, and I don't get anything. Okay, non-commission, it's just a discount code for all of you. Oh, look at this. It's supposed to improve cellulite, scrub everything off your body, all the dead skin and everything. So skin smoothing body massage glove. So let's take a look at this. I am excited, okay, because we've got back acne, okay, from just all the quarantine and lying on the floor and just being so, ooh, it's a little bit like, I don't want to use the word rough. It's got a bit of like exfoliating potential. It's a little bit like that rough, but not rough, you know, just like very soft. Yeah, like a soft exfoliator. So this is how it looks like, and so I think that, oh, is that how you do it? Is that how you, oh yeah, it is. Your thumb goes through like, doop. Is it better to grip? Maybe it's better to grip. Yeah, maybe it's better to grip. I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep this paper, and you're supposed to, let's see, use it during your shower to soften your skin. Initial effects, obvious cost, because it's got a little bit of a rub. Put water, unique glove bamboo fibers, invigorate blood and lymph microcirculation, helps to even out skin color. Okay, so if you use it for 30 days, you see some effects, and you're supposed to go like 30 circular motions all over your body. Ooh, yes. I think one thing, it's because it's a bit more abrasive. Like, all these words are not nice to use, right? But a little bit, you don't rub too hard, but I can tell you this is gonna get rid of the back acne. So thank you to MACQUEZA very much. I'm going to be using this. If you see it in the favorites, then it's a favorite. Before I get into the stuff that I bought, I received this wonderful, generous package from a subbie. I'm gonna call you Jojo. I don't know if I'm supposed to say your name, but Jojo. Thank you so much for thinking about me and sending me this. So I opened it from the packaging because it's a little bit loud. Still loud. I have to keep the box, okay? I have to keep it. There's a little note for me here. I'm not getting rid of this. It's gonna be in my, you know, stash of things that people have sent me, you know, cards, stuff. I am a hoarder, okay? So everything that all of you have sent to me, and I know some of you have sent me cards and everything, I keep everything, okay? Everything. It's like my little treasure chest. Oh, you gave me the Hermes box. Look at that. And I was just saying in my last video, should I throw the box away? Well, I guess I'm not throwing the box away. Thank you. Oh my god, what is that? Girl! What? This is you gave me a cushion? That is... Oh my gosh, you got me the cushion! The cushion! This is the limited edition one, the Dior Mania edition. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating. No way! Oh my god! Oh my god, thank you. This has been sold out. Like, sold out, okay? Sold out everywhere. I don't even know, I don't think you can get it anymore. Thank you so much. And it's my color, 2N neutral. Thank you. Can I just eat one of the chocolate now? Because I'm actually kind of hungry. That's all. Sea salt. This is my favorite. Okay, sea salt caramel brittle. This is from Well, it's so... Oh my gosh, so fancy. Listen to this, people. Marlboro. Sea salt and caramel brittle with saffron from Whittaker's. Okay, we gotta eat this together because I know that if I opened this while I was back, you know, home with my husband, he would eat all of it. Let's see, can I actually... Can you see saffron? I don't even know what saffron tastes like. But... that's good. Your girl did some shopping at Hermes. Actually, I didn't do at Hermes. I bought it online. Oh, let's not put that there. I bought 2 lipsticks from Hermes. And this is probably like my last Hermes purchases because these lipsticks are so expensive. And now you can actually just buy the refill. Don't even bother with the case. Or buy one case and just buy many refills because the refills are so much cheaper. So the 2 colors that I bought is Beige Naturale and Orange Boyd. So I bought the Orange Boyd because... I don't know, actually. Do I use orange lipsticks? I don't think so. But apparently this is like the Hermes lipstick. Oh, that's orange. That's orange. It looks a little bit deeper on camera, but it's actually really, really bright. We are going to keep this for a trying new makeup, just like Michelle Wong, trying new makeup. We will do it on my channel. Of course, not as professional as her. We'll never be professional like her, but we can have fun. Okay, so I got the color Orange Boyd. I also got the color Beige Naturale. This is a beautiful color. It's kinda, oh, it looks a little bit purpley on the camera, but it is a bit more grayish nude. So there is a gray undertone to this, so I do think this is going to be stunning. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Hermes. No, thank you very much, Kat, for spending money on it. I did pick up some Tom Ford items. I got the Emotion Proof Mascara. This was purchased in a Sephora, online buy before my first quarantine. And I think when I went into my first quarantine, this arrived. So I didn't actually get to see it for almost 4 or 5 months. So I got a mascara, I got a lipstick as well. These were, I think, on like 30% off. So I just decided to take advantage of the sale. But actually what I want to show you are these two eyeshadow palettes. Now I rarely buy Tom Ford eyeshadow palettes. It's just that they were having the sale and rarely have sale for Tom Ford. So I got two colors. The color that's on my eyes today is Honeymoon. This is so pretty and it's so easy to use. This color, it's very shimmery, so if you don't like shimmery eyeshadows, you will not like this. I'm using three colors, this light one, the medium, and then the dark. I'm not using the red color. It's so simple to use. Very stunning. So you want to watch this in use, not that I was using it a lot, but I do have a weekly get ready with me Q&A video. So if you don't watch that, I usually do get ready with me, so, you know, answer some questions, have a chat with all of you. That's pretty fun. This color, I think it was very popular when it came out. This is the color Pretty Baby, number 25. Look at that color. So the one that strikes like my fancy the most is this iridescent color. Just gonna swatch that. It is, look at it, it's a dual chrome purple shift. It's got a bit of blue, a little bit of pink. So stunning. I think if you just use this one color, like maybe these two colors, like a bit of base and then this on top, oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Picked up this Kogendo powder from Beautylish. This is the Kogendo Manfashi Brightening Moisture Powder. This is one of their best sellers. Michelle Wong talks about it so much, and I honestly can tell you this stuff is so nice. I love the fact that it has a cover. Can you see the swirl on this? Let me just use a clean finger. Look at that. It's so soft, and when you blend it out, it's got a bit of that sheen. Isn't that beautiful? Really nice, but I do think that if you go too heavy with it, you will get a bit of a white cast. So it comes with a brush, so just lightly dust it. I am using it today and I have to say, it's very nice. Okay, this is probably, no, this is not going to be my last Jill Stewart blush. There is one Jill Stewart blush that is coming out in Japan. I heard it's coming out in September. I am really excited for that because it's that kind of bronzy, brownie tone blush that I think I need it. You know what, YOLO your life in 2020. I'm not going crazy, okay? Just that, I don't know, I just feel like right now when you can't use the things, you just want to use the stuff. So this color is in 03 Melon Daisy. Ooh, look at that, let's swirl that around. Oh, it's very powdery. So if you don't like powdery blushes, you might not like this, but let me tell you, this Jill Stewart blush, it's so soft. It has a bit of fragrance, I just want to say that. So let's say if I want to like focus it on this side, you can get a very deep color, like look at that, ooh. But if you want something light, let's say like here, just focus it here, and you can get another shade. You see? So you, in one palette, like this blush palette, you can get a few choices of blush. You can go pinky, you can go a little bit more, you know, red, well, more pink, and then just stay really light and soft if you just focus your brush on the lighter petals here. I am also using this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer on my skin today, and people, this is really nice. You can you see that little like, oh, that's maybe too much blush, but yeah, here we go. This part here, it's from this bronzer, this airbrush bronzer. The color that I'm using is 2 medium. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. This packaging, just look at this packaging. And look at this size of this bronzer. This is stunning. It's very light. I don't have her powder, but apparently it's people who's, you know, been reviewing it. It is just like the powder. It's right here. Gosh, this is so soft. I used this just now and I was just buffing it into my skin. So blendable. I don't know, is this oh, it is a refillable one. So there's a little hole here that you can poke out, and I think it's magnetized in the case. So I guess if you finish this, like, I don't know how you can ever finish this kind of bronzer. Like if this is like your only bronzer, then maybe, but otherwise I think it'll take you a while to finish it. But just this packaging, I had to show you the final thing, which I'm thinking it's probably a semi-fail, which is why I've got these black bits on my finger. I have the magnetic lashes from Adele. So this is the magnetic liner and lash. I used it today and that's what I got on my eyes. And I just want to say that the one on my left eye is okay, but the one on my right eye, I can feel it fluttering off. And it's because oh yeah, it's kind of like stuck but not stuck. Oh wait, actually, sorry, but this one looks like it's coming out. So, you know, it's actually coming out. You know what, I'm gonna do this on my live stream and I'm gonna pluck it out. It is, yeah, it's such a fail. Sorry, this is such a fail. Now, let me take that back. Not even a semi-fail. This is such a fail eyelash because this eyeliner is so hard to put on. I was struggling to get it on because it's so thick. I should just listen to the reviews because the reviews were like 1 star, 2 star, but sometimes, you know, you're like, maybe they don't know how to use it. But oh my gosh, you know what? No, wait. Let me just be fair. I'm gonna try it again one more time. Maybe when I try the rest of my new makeup. Let's try this one more time. And then we'll give the verdict. But today's try on was so hard. It was really awful. I think I would rather just use glue, but yeah, anyway. So those are the items that I have picked up, I got sent, and it's been so amazing. I am really loving this necklace on my neck. Feels very comfortable, doesn't feel like it's choking me. I'm not a fan of chokers, but right here, so nice, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's little haul. I actually have a few things that I bought. Okay, so if you like this video and you like hauls, you still like to see unboxings, do give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, but just a little, feeling a little guilty, okay? So I did buy a few things. I bought something from Chanel out of my quarantine, and I did buy something during my quarantine from LV, and I picked it up. So I talked about it in my live stream. I have not unboxed it. It's actually like over there. It's like there. I'm undecided if I want to do an unboxing for it. It's not that I'm hiding it from all of you. It's just that I don't know. So if you think I should unbox those LV things and that Chanel thing, please let me know in the comment section. Just tell me. You won't judge me. You won't, I don't know. I'm just feeling like, just not feeling it. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see an LV and Chanel unboxing. I will definitely do it for you. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Everybody, please take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!